Hey guys, happy weekend, happy Saturday. We're here in Corona, California at the Spring Fest at Wolfsburg West. It's awesome. There's all these great bugs. Look at these. These are just getting started, so we're going to walk around and try to find some people. There's some really nice buses and even really small itty bitty bugs. So there's all kinds of people here to meet and look at these great cars. Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm VW.
How you doing, Jeremy?
Jeremy, nice to meet you. I have so many questions. Is this your first Volkswagen?
Yes, sir. 16 years old, I bought it. My father bought it for me.
Really?
Yes.
That's awesome. Tell me about it. So when you got it, did it look like this?
No, sir. Primered, you know, beat up a little bit, but yeah, it needed a little bit of work.
Yeah, I bet. Look at this, and you dropped it.
It has air shocks in the front.
Oh, okay. I've never seen that before. How does that work?
Right here. Push the button, it goes up. Push the button, releases the air.
That's awesome. So you can go as high or as low as you want.
Just in the front, yes.
Yeah. Wow, dude, it's beautiful.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
What does it take to get a car like this? How many months, years? I mean, it looks like it's museum showroom quality, ready to go.
I spent 5 years on it.
Wow. Look at this motor. It looks like you finished it yesterday. It looks brand new.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Wow, it's gorgeous, man. This is great. Dual carbs, right?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
learning as I go. So
no worries.
So
yes, dual carbs.
It's beautiful. Wow, the wiring, all the wiring is so meticulously placed everywhere. Like
yes.
you dialed it in so nice.
I try to do it right. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The love of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. How long? I mean, are you trained as a mechanic or a body guy? Or?
No. I just own one ever since I was 16, and I'm just into them.
Dude, how do you not do this for a living? This is amazing. This is great. And the custom.
That's my woofers. My amps are right there.
Okay. Oh, so it's got a sound system.
Yes, sir. And then you got the cover in the back.
Oh yeah, see? Cool. Let me see. Nice. Look at that.
And then that's the actual.
Oh yeah.
Woofer. Okay,
you got some serious sound.
And then we got the kick panels in the front also.
Oh, nice. Okay. So Jeremy is the sound guy. You're all about the music.
Yes, sir. I like to hear my music.
Excellent. So I'm thinking about this car, and I'm like, do you have a wish list, Jeremy? Is there like, after this car, I'm gonna get this one, because apparently you can't just own one. So where does it?
I actually have a 57 oval rag that I'm restoring as we speak right now.
Nice.
And then I also have a 65 21 window microbus.
Oh, okay.
That will be next.
So you have three.
Yeah, I'm a VW freak.
Excellent. What are you gonna do to those cars? Is it stock like this one, or
no?
Are you gonna...
My oval has getting airbags on it.
Okay.
A Freeway Flyer Pro Street tranny.
Okay.
It'll have a big motor in it.
Yeah.
The works.
So the airbags are under the front wheels here, right?
The air shocks.
Air shocks, sorry.
Correct.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Amazing. And all this information is, wait, it's not for sale, is it?
Yes, sir.
Oh no, Jeremy, no!
Yes, sir. It's for sale so I could finish my oval.
Okay, so if you want to help Jeremy out, get in touch with Jeremy. Here's the information I'll show you on the screen. And Yeah, man. Okay, you're gonna say goodbye to the baby.
Yes, sir.
You've had it forever.
Yes, sir. I know.
But
my oval window, I bought that with my own money.
Okay.
It wasn't one my parents bought for me type thing, so that little more sentimental value to it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I get you. This car is gorgeous. I cannot wait to see your next 2 builds, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for chatting about your car. It's beautiful.
I appreciate
Have a great show, dude. So many beautiful cars here, and look at this Karmann Ghia. Is this your car, sir?
Yes.
Let's go talk to this guy. Hey, I'm VW.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Richard.
Richard, tell me about your beautiful Ghia. What year is it?
68.
68. So when you got it, did it look like this?
No.
No. What? How long have you had the car for?
For 22 years.
Oh my gosh. Okay. This is the family car in the. Oh my God. Look at this. This is beautiful. What state was it in when you got it?
It was a driver, but it wasn't the right color.
All kinds of colors.
Yeah.
And so the bottom 6 inches was probably all rotted out, right?
No.
No?
No. This is a California
Beautiful.
California car.
You don't have to worry about any of that nonsense.
No.
Yeah, that rust it's a killer, right?
Yeah.
With these poor Karmann Ghias. Okay, so you got lucky with you found a good car 20 years ago. You found a good thing. So you had it painted.
Yeah. Painted and body worked.
Yeah.
Done to the front.
Man, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Always been in California.
Yeah, it's been always in California.
Wow, it looks so original inside. Nice. What are you working on the engine right now?
It's a 2332.
It's so clean, Richard. Yeah, it looks great. Really, really beautiful. Is there anything else on the to-do list that you're thinking about?
A 5-speed.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's cool. Yeah, you don't often see that.
No.
Anything else on the car you're thinking about doing next? That's kind of a.
That's it.
That's it.
It's done.
I think so. Yeah, it's great. Wow. That's awesome. Is this your one and only Volkswagen, or do you own several of them?
No, this is my only Volkswagen now. I had a 69 Bug that was clean, but I sold that to do the motor.
Ah, I see. I love I love the brass intakes on the carbs here. Those are really cool. I've never seen that before. That's pretty neat. Dude, thank you so much for showing us your car. It's really awesome. Nice meeting you. Congratulations. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. All kinds of things, and then you have this. Is this your car?
Yes.
I'm VW.
Carl.
Carl, nice to meet you. Carl, what is this?
It's a European Karmann Ghia. It's called a Type 34.
Okay, I've never, I've seen maybe one or two in the past, but never one in this kind of quality and condition.
They made them from 1961 to 1969. I made about 42,000 of them.
Man, where did you get this?
I found this one down in San Diego and spent 4 years restoring it.
San Diego find, look at you. Wow, it's beautiful. What color is this?
We were T-boned about 9 years ago, so I'm not sure what color it is now.
What happened?
We had a girl, she took out our door to the middle of the rear wheel.
Oh no, so this has all been replaced after the restoration.
Found the door in Tijuana. The quarter panel was sent over from Germany.
It's seamless. You can't tell. Like it's,
the guy that did this, Doug Starbuck, does $1 million cars for the Grand Nats.
Yeah, he gave you $1 million job here.
He
Look,
did.
It looks fantastic.
I had a single stage paint job and he put a 2-stage.
I'm very attracted to the red and white combo of it all. It's kind of a fun.
I knew what color I wanted outside.
Oh, look at this.
The interior I just handed over to Henry Torres. He's no longer with us, but
oh, it's too bad.
I said, do what you want to do.
Yeah, he did you right too.
It's just so much fun.
Yeah, can I see the engine?
Yeah.
This car is amazing. Wow, look at these taillights. It's so cool. It's like a spaceship.
They say they're kind of like I think the BMW 2002 has the round ones also.
Okay. Man.
It's just a 1776 with
it's so
40
clean.
Webers.
It's so clean, it looks great.
I just pulled it last January. The gentleman who owns this car is a master mechanic. He was my old VW mechanic. And
okay.
He came to my house and helped me and we worked on it.
That's why these shows are so great, because you network with people and you're like, hey.
It's fun. I've met so many good people, Volkswagen people.
Yeah. Wow. It's a work of art, man. It's really gorgeous.
It's just fun. You go places and no one knows what it is, or they say, why does my Karmann Ghia look different?
Yeah.
There's a gentleman in San Diego, Lee Hedges, and he's done a database on these. And so far he's got about 1,800 people willing to give him the VIN number.
Yeah.
So we know there's 1,800 of these left.
Okay.
And
you got one.
I've got one. And 1967 has only 153 in the database.
Man.
So I'm one of the rare ones.
Man. How's it drive? Does it shimmy at all? Are we okay, like as far as weight distribution? Does it feel
It's
good?
fun to drive.
Yeah?
Yeah. We do a Type 3 rally every 3 years up in Cayucas.
Okay.
So we'll do like 1,300 miles in 4 days in this.
Oh, wow. Wow. I mean, look at this little guy, right? This is so cool. Like, I've never seen that part before. It's only unique to this particular model, right? They don't have it on.
In Europe, it would be you turn your blinker on, that light would stay on to warn the cars at night you were there. But I hooked it up as a side blinker.
Okay, yeah, that's cool.
That's safety.
Yeah, for sure. Wow, it's gorgeous. Wow. Anything else you need to do on the car? Your list as far as? No, you're done. Yeah. Good for you.
Yeah, replace some of the older rubber, but other than that, it's just drive it.
Now just maintain, drive it, enjoy it. Yeah. Wow, man, it's gorgeous. Thanks for talking to me about the car. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a great show.
You too.
Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Well, that's it for today. I got to wrap it up because I got some more bugs to look at. I'll see you guys next week. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And man, look at these bugs.